Hello, guys. Welcome to this zone where we do it big, obviously. So earlier today, I took a trade on gold, and this is how the trade is looking. We were aiming as 1:5. Let's say 1:5, yeah. And let me show you something, guys. Let me explain how I took this trade. As you can see, we've been just winning trades like crazy. Okay, so I have an explanation for each trade. So starting from this trade over here, as you can see, this was kind of a resistant zone. Let me zoom it out. Yeah, a resistant zone. The market didn't break this. Okay, the market broke up of this the resistant trend line. Let me open the screen so that you can see. Mm. Like this, we have this trend line over here. The market broke over here. It kind of consolidated here, and then I waited for the market to break upside this level before I took my buy, where we got 1:18. Okay, and this here we had a channel over here. This channel, I waited for the breakout of that channel, and I entered. You see, we had a 1:5. So today I had this ascending triangle over here. As you can see, we were forming higher lows, but we didn't form higher highs. That means buyers are in, but we don't have an uptrend. So let me zoom it out. So we had this resistance level and this support trend line. Keep that in mind. And then we took this trade immediately. We block up to the upside. So again, we have, okay, sorry for this one. As you can see, we have a minor trend line. Let me show you why I'm still holding this trade. Because let me show you by drawing all this to the side. Okay. Okay. Sorry for this one. Okay. So we have this resistant over here, as you can see, and then we have this this trend line, this minor trend line over here. You see, is again a ascending triangle forming over here and a breakout. So this is a breakout and a retest before we go to the upside. Okay, that's how it looks like. So let me just remove this. Okay, if it breaks this line over here, I'm gonna exit. That's a trend change. And if it breaks down here, I'm taking a sell to this trend line, and the stop loss will be just as tight as possible. So let's go to Euro USD. I took a trade on Euro USD also. Let me show you how we do it big. Okay, as you can see on Euro USD, still we are winning. No, okay. Obviously, winning. So this, we took this due to this channel. So after it hit this our trend line, we took it a sell. The market from previously, the market was dunking in between this channel. It dunked here, here, we sold. Here, we bought. So I knew this, if it will not break to the upside, I knew it was to be a sell. So that's why I took that sell. And as you can see, 1:12. We obviously kill it big, tight stop loss. And that's how we did it. For this one, we broke to the ups of this, we broke this trend line, and we bought. Obviously, we had this line over here. This, let me touch it. This one was like an entry place where I said if the market breaks here, I'm going to enter. It was like a resistance zone. Okay, we did that. And here we formed a very huge ascending triangle where I took this buy. You see this buy. So that's all for today's trading. Let me take you to my MT5 and show you how the market is kind of looking right now. Okay, guys, this is how we are looking. Mhm. This is how we are looking. Okay, this is how we are looking. I obviously told you this gold. Let me flip my screen so that I can change this to candlestick one. Yeah, like that. So I told you we are waiting for a reaction over here. So this for this one to take so that because I'm a high schooler, so right now I just want to go to see like to be reading. I have exams this year, so I'll just move this one up here. This will help me lock some profit in, and this is the strategy that you use when you are not going to sit on the market. So right now I will have no anxiety just because the market will just I know the market will just act up on this zone over here, but I won't just put all the money on risk. Guys, it is even doing what I told you, as you can see. And today is on Friday, so I'm not supposed to trade at this time, but due to school, most trading zones, trading sessions, I'm in school, so I I am trying to like adapt to this time frame. So yeah, I mean to this session, so that I can be making also money. So that's why I traded this session. Today's on Friday. According to most people, they don't trade at this time, but I did just because of school. Okay, uh, yeah, as you can see, this is how we are looking. Yeah, so I will update you on how the trade will end. So bye, see you next time. And for those who needs class, I think 28th this month, on 28th this month, we're gonna have that being live on YouTube. And so, if TikTok will allow, like, if people will follow to that remit that is there is supposed to be leaked, so that someone can go live, I will do the same. Okay, bye. Let's meet next time. Kill it big. Do it with a discipline.